Hey, when I got behind you, all you heard was so.
I looked back and I said, damn, he's directly behind me.
Oh no, I went. Hey, bro, I was having fun.
Was you recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can see, you can see all that. I mean, you seen dirt that damn big coming. So. That sound like bullets.
Yeah, I was recording too. I got you.
Yeah, I think this is a straightaway off the plane.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
But it goes like way out there.
That shit's fun.
Now they got plenty of landing room.
Hell yeah.
You know, it's got to be like, that's crazy. You got something that advanced and it can land way the fuck out here.
I think this is a drop field.
Yeah, it must be a drop field, yeah.
For airbornes. They gonna come out here and they be like, damn, something was out here skating.
They gonna tell us dirt bike.